I have no kids, so I'm not mama. I'm not mother yet. I'm single, have no kids. I'm sorry. Thank you. It's alright. That's life. Crying is one of my reliever, guys. Crying is one of my reliever. I'm so dearly sorry, Miss. I hope that you will be able to recover. Thank you, thank you. Eka, wait a minute, I need more tissue. I need more tissue. Sorry. Thank you for the hearts.